Yeah.
Not to be.
It's scared.
Well, your body's gonna have more endorphins going in it. A second of anything
Hi, Ian.
worse.
Hi. Is this like our recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, good. I don't feel stupid though. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait forever. She's not gonna take a picture.
I feel stupid handling someone's nipples on film.
You're enjoying it, Jake. Don't lie.
What?
You're enjoying it. Don't
I'm
lie.
like half chub. That's a lie, camera.
No, it's not.
It's the opposite.
Okay, so nice deep breath. Try not to tense up. I can tell you're tense.
No more blood on that one. Fun.
You can cork it with that needle still in there if you want. It's not going to hurt it. But you are going to have to give yourself, pressure from that side. Ian looks so scared.
You know what? This one was so less lube. So much less lube. This is gonna fall out on your stomach, but don't worry, it's not sharp.
Yeah, it's cork.
That transfers way easier.
Pretty sure. Fall.
Thanking you. There's
See, but stretching is so much worse.
stretching.
Yeah, stretching is always way
Stretching the
more
ears?
uncomfortable than any
Yeah.
piercing. Yeah.
I definitely hated that more than all my piercings.
Even though you don't have your nipples pierced.
Yeah, Jake.
No, I said than all my piercings.
The two?
What?
Do you have pierced?
What do I have pierced?
Your lip.
My lip, my neck, I've had my tragus pierced, I've had my lip pierced
Alright, stop showing off.
4 times on each side.
Actually, I mean, not a ton, but a little more blood.
I'll put a cup right there for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up is my belly button.
Yeah.